Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Beverages coming back to you with another powerful weight loss video for you today. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to reduce the fat cells in your body in only 12 weeks. And that's by drinking 2 to 3 cups of this wonderful tea each day. Now, this tea is called Hibiscus tea, and it has tons of benefits. This tea has been known to prevent hypertension. It lowers the blood pressure, reduces the blood sugar levels, and keep your liver healthy. This also helps with menstrual cramps, okay? It helps with depression, aids in digestion, and help with weight management. So this is what's going to help to get that weight off of you. This tea is also rich in vitamin C and contains minerals such as flavonoids and has a laxative property, and it also tastes delicious. Now, one of the side effects of this tea, and I must let you know, is that it can affect your estrogen levels. So if you're pregnant or you're trying to become pregnant, do not drink this tea. As well as if you are already suffering from low blood pressure, this tea is not for you because this also lowers your blood pressure. So it can be very harmful to you. So avoid this tea if you have low blood pressure problems or if you're pregnant or trying to become pregnant. So the first ingredient in this tea is our sorrel, which is the hibiscus leaves. We're also going to be using about 2.5 inches of ginger root, as well as a lemon, some honey, and 2 cups of filtered water. Now, we will need a pan for this recipe. We're going to boil the water on a very low to medium flame. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of my hibiscus petals and add that into my pot of water. Next, I'm going to use my ginger root. Now I'm going to start off by scraping the skin off of it. And now I'm going to take my grater and my bowl and I'm going to mince it. Now this step is optional, but definitely a needed step because you get more juice extracted when you mince it. So I'm going to mince it first and then put it into my pot. Now I'm going to allow this tea to boil and steep for at least 10 minutes. Okay, so you're boiling it for 10 minutes on a medium to low flame. Now that the tea has finished cooling, it's time to strain. So you're going to need your strainer and pour it right into your cup. Next, we're going to take a half of a lemon and squeeze it directly into our glass. And sweeten with your favorite sweetener. This step is optional, but it does taste better with a teaspoon of honey. And there you have it, you guys, this awesome, powerful weight loss tea. Now, it's not just for weight loss, although that is one of the best benefits you can get. But this tea is also packed with antioxidants. It helps to lower your blood pressure. It's also going to lower the blood fat levels in your body, okay? This is also going to boost your liver health. It's going to promote the weight loss. And it also contains compounds that's going to help to prevent cancer. This also can help you to fight the bacteria in your body, and it's delicious, all right? Okay, you guys, so thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Share these videos with your friends and family who are also on a weight loss journey, as well as if they're suffering from some of the ailments that this tea can help them with. Share this video, you guys, all right? Just know that in 12 weeks of drinking 2 to 3 cups of this per day, you are reducing the fat cells in your body. You are trimming and slimming down, and just in time for the summer, all right? So again, I thank you. Look down below for links if you're interested in purchasing the hibiscus leaves. If they're not available in your area, I'll have links down below, alright? And you guys, don't forget, check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will see hair care, skincare, beauty care videos, and more. And finally, you guys, check down below for the links for my eBay store, where you can also purchase these wonderful items. Items will be added daily, so even if it may run out, don't worry, I got you. I'm going to be uploading stuff on that account every day, so this way you can also enjoy these wonderful items that I get in my area, alright? These are awesome, health beneficial items. Alright, y'all, so don't forget, you guys, your big sis and auntie loves you, and I'll see you again in the next video. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvet Locks introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel, you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell. And I will see you there.